Hello friends, Imtiaz here. Welcome back to my channel. Sometimes we hide many things from our Facebook profile and sometimes feel regretted for that. So today I'm going to show you how to unhide Facebook uh, posts that we have previously hidden from our profile. So this is a very simple to do. For this, you have to visit your Facebook profile, and from there click on the profile image. From there you will click on settings and privacy. After that, click on the activity log. In the activity log section, Facebook lists everything that you have done with your Facebook profile. So from here, from the left hand side, your Facebook activity, click on that. After that, click on the post section. Now, posts hidden from profile. Here you can see we have all the previously hidden posts are listed here. I have already tested this before making this video. Let's say we will uncover this cover photo that we have hidden before, and it's done. Now it's ready for like, comment and share again. So that's all for today.